Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Mailchimp email marketing automation, complete guide step by step clearly. Once on the home page, locate the sign up free button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up free button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address, username, and password. Fill in the required fields, then click on the Get Started button to create your account. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Mailchimp. Open the email and click on the verification link provided to activate your account. After verifying your email, you will be redirected to the Mailchimp sign-in page. Log in using the credentials you just created. Once logged in, you will be guided through a series of setup steps. This includes entering your name, address, and other business details. Next, you will be prompted to create your first audience. Fill in the necessary details to set up your audience. You can upload existing contacts or start building your list from scratch. After setting up the audience, navigate to the Campaigns tab. Click on the Create Campaign button to start your first email marketing campaign. Choose Regular Email to begin designing your email. Select your newly created audience from the list provided. Customize your email by adding a subject line, content, and images. Once your email is ready, click on the Send button to send out your campaign. To automate your email marketing, go to the Automations tab. Click on the Create Automation button to define your automated workflow. Choose the type of automation that best fits your needs, such as welcome emails or follow-ups. Follow the prompts to configure your automation settings. Review your automation and ensure all settings are correct. Finally, activate your automation to start sending emails automatically. Now you are ready to use Mailchimp for your email marketing automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.